This is what space actually sounds like. Firstly, we all think we know what the earth sounds like, right? Because we live on it. Well, I'm going to be showing you what the earth sounds like from the outer space, and you will be shocked. Right, next I'm pretty sure we're all scared of one of these hitting our earth, but this is what a comet sounds like when it's flying through space. Yeah, I was not expecting that, but this is what it sounds like when two black holes collide. That sounded so harmless, but finally I'm about to show you what it sounds like when there's a lightning storm on Jupiter.